Hi, Stud. What are you doing? You got Daddy's phone? Is that Daddy's phone? And you run away. The little collar's all popped. There we go. Theodore. Hi. Bye. Bye-bye. He waved. That was cute. This is a daily routine. I'm going to walk out of the room, walk back in the room. Walk out, walk in, walk out, walk in. Oh, you dropped it. Well, pick it up. Now it's not open because you dropped it and it closed. Aww, Theo. Mr. Attitude. Bring Mommy the phone. Bring me the phone. Bring me the phone. Bring me the phone. Or walk on the phone, one or the other.